Okay, so my sister got a budgie, it's a boy budgie, called Louie. Louie. So yeah, and he's like jumping around in there, so I thought, you know what, I'll give him a bit of a spotlight, you know. Look, Louie, look, you've got your spotlight. Do you have anything to say? He doesn't speak, obviously. He tweets now and again, but... Hello? What you got in your mouth, dude? What have you got in your mouth? A bit of seed or something. Hello? Say something. Come on, you were tweeting before, what's wrong with you now? No. I don't think he knows what YouTube's all about, do you? Oh god. No? Anything at all? You gotta jump around, oh god. Whee! Yep, he's busy with his seeds down there. You're busy with your seeds, are you? Oh god, hopping around, you're hopping mad, you know that. So yeah, there's my sister's Budgie. It's a pretty delightful little thing. It just runs around at the bottom. Oh god. You make a little pattering noise. It's quite amusing, surprisingly. So yeah, he's very young. I believe he's a young budgie. So he's gonna get bigger. I don't know if some of these end up talking. Probably not, but it'd be pretty funny to have a talking budgie, you know. Ooh, he's giving you this death stare, I think. Ooh. Anything else to say? Oh, he's all quiet now. Oh, okay. Thanks, you guys, and I'll see you all later. See you guys. So say goodbye? No? Okay.